Hey friends, Arree Chung here. Today is day 2 of Creativity Camp. Today I'm going to show you how to draw with simple shapes, and you can draw basically anything. Let's dive in and get started. Oh, make sure you hit the like button as well as the subscribe so that way you can get notified for future Creativity Camp videos. Okay, let's dive in. Okay, so the mental model for a seahorse, let's go through how to draw the seahorse. So what do you think you would use for the body? What shape do you think you would use for the body? We're going to draw a rectangle, and then for the head, we're going to draw a circle, right? What shape would we use for the nose? Another rectangle. And then we're going to do this curvy line for the tail and body. Remember, our mental model for a seahorse is a circle, the body, and a line, and a rectangle, right? So what's fun is I can then draw this guy moving. And I can also change this into another character. So maybe I can make it a dragon. So let's draw that circle for the head, okay? And then let's draw let's draw like an S curve for the body. And let's do another line that almost parallels it, but tapers at the end, okay? Remember, we're drawing everything from these simple shapes. So circle, square, rectangle, and straight lines and curved lines. That's all you need, okay? So let's draw the rectangle for the nose. Draw a circle for the nose, for the end of the nose. So let's draw the hands. So we're going to draw rectangle and a rectangle for the hands. For the arms. And a rectangle here and a rectangle here for the legs. And let's draw a circle for the hands and a circle for the feet. So I have a question for you. How many fingers does a dragon have? 3? Okay, 3. And what shape out of these shapes should we use for the finger shape? Maybe a triangle?
Yeah.
Like that? So to make claws are just bent triangles. You see this? This is the same thing, right? What shape should we use for his eyes? Circle. And what shape should we use for his mane? Okay, let's use...
I'm seeing diamonds and triangles.
Yes, diamonds and triangles. So you can put these wherever you want. Draw his ears. So I like to use triangles for his ears. And we'll give him an eyeball. And then for the mouth, we can use a line. So, for a happy face, we can use a line like this, right? So we can use a line, or we can make it like Pac-Man. You know how Pac-Man's like that? Also do something like that. So let's review our steps, okay? So our steps are, we find a good picture. So we found a good picture of the seahorse. We learned what shapes we can use. So we can see we can use the circle, the rectangle, and the rectangle here for the nose. And then we drew the big shapes to the small shapes. So we first drew this head, we drew this long body, and then we added lines and details. So the rest of this is details and patterns. So let's add the details and patterns. So for the belly, we're going to add a line here, and we're going to add a line here for the underside. And then dragons have scales. So let's draw this pattern as a scale. So what shape do you think fire can be? How can we use this shape? This shape? This shape? What shape do you think it could be? Let's say we did a circle like this, and let's do some triangles like this, and we add it here. Now we have some.
Do you see his over here?
We have some fire. So you can use triangles. I think that works. These are triangles, right? You can also use one big circle and add triangles to it. So if you had fire down here, like a wood fire, you can draw the circle here, and then you can draw the triangles on top.
Oh, good idea.
Yeah, cool, huh? And then you can add these lines to make it seem like it's steamy. Cool, right?
Now, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel, and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.